yeah, coming back to the festival scenes, like I joined 2 months
So yeah,
before,
you
right?
I was
Before,
coming to that, that you said that you joined like you joined the entire thing 2 months prior to the event that it actually happened. But I'm sure that Social Nation as a concept was formed like much earlier. As in like I
yes.
wanted like I'm sure that you were not in office when this was happening, but you are obviously aware of how the entire thing came into picture. So I wanted to know that story as well. That how did this entire Social Nation start off, like right from the time that who got the idea, who took the like initial steps to the thing that okay, now we are finally doing such a thing like this.
Okay, firstly, I'm not very sure who came up with the idea, but it was either our CEO, co-founder Gurdeep sir, or either it was Sudeep sir.
Okay.
उन दोनों में से किसी एक का idea था. But talking about the idea, it is, as I told you, that a digital space is coming to reality.
Hmm.
And it is not just one segment, it is not just YouTube coming into reality. It is about the entire digital space coming into reality.
Yeah.
And it is also, the idea was also to empower the digital creators who are already there, who are not that big, who are looking for platforms, who are trying to understand the space a little better. There are
Yeah.
so many bloggers, there are so many content creators, there are so many writers. So we also had this space wherein we had workshops by industry experts.
Yeah.
We had someone, we had the head of YouTube coming in and talking about how the entire thing on YouTube works. Then we had people from TVF who were giving uh, then we have people from TVF who are coming in giving in ideas on how you can write, how you can make your writing better,
Yeah.
how to uh, how to make the screenplay better,
Yeah.
etc. So there were a list of workshops as well.
Yeah, so
Then, as I told
this
you, there
actually like
was
adding some context for the audience. Like a lot of people might be thinking, कि, "अरे, why is this even a relevant piece of information? People come to see the creators and not the not these people whom you named. कि, अरे YouTube के office में से कोई आए, यहाँ से कोई आए." I'll explain the reason behind that. Um, Generally, what happens is in all these events and all, it's like the audience are coming in and they just come to look at their favorite creators, like jinko screen pe dekha, you pay some money and then you get to see them live in front of you, and that's it. So that's sort of a very one way transaction, wherein okay, you came, you got the happiness that oh, I saw my favorite creator right in front of my eyes, and then that's it. Like 2 days the event gets closed and like you go back to your home and that's it. When things like this happen, wherein people like industry experts come and there are sessions, there are workshops, there are Q&As that happen, that's when you actually take back things from the event. Like it's not कि मैं event में आया, मैंने भुवन को देखा, मेरा जिंदगी बन गया. That's not the thing. It's like कि I heard what he wanted to say. एक workshop था, एक interactive session था,
right.
जहाँ पे it was allowed to ask questions. So then it becomes something that we can actually take back. It's not just एक selfie जो मैंने उस दिन post करूँगा and I'll get that clout on the internet. It's something that I'll be taking back into the bigger picture. So that's why these workshops, these seminars, and all of this makes sense.
And adding to that, I mean, whatever business you are in, be it the event industry or any industry, end of the day, you have to see that what extra value add you are giving to your consumers.
Yeah.
You always have to take that into account, that what extra value add you're giving to people.
Yeah.
So I mean, of course, like you said, there were two live stages, एक में comedy हो रहा था, एक में dance हो रहा था, and everything was there. But extra value add हम लोग क्या दे सकते थे? Workshops दे सकते थे. People could come and see कि एक जो ऑडली सेटिस्फाइंग जोन था, जो वो लोग फोन में देखते थे, वो रियल लाइफ में स्लाइम्स में खेलने के साथ कैसा लगता है.
Hmm.
So all these extra value adds is something which people look for, which companies are trying to transform and seeing कि मैं एक extra value add क्या दे सकता हूँ अपने consumer को.
Hmm.
So yeah, that happened, and there were this spectrum of different things which was happening during the festival. But let me tell you everything. I mean, 2 months, 2 बार डेट चेंज हुआ
Hmm.
इवेंट का.
Hmm.
एंड इवेंट में भी ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. सो फर्स्ट when we entered, then when I entered One Digital Entertainment, the
Hmm.
first festival date was 19th and 20th of October.
Yeah.
all right, and everything was planned accordingly. हमारा जो भी creators थे, creators सब सारे creators, सारे digital creators ने अपने पेज में डाला था कि 19th and 20th क्या
Yeah.
कर रहे हो, अगर कुछ प्लान है तो कैंसिल कर दो.
This was the tagline of
And
Social Nation. I remember me personally watching on my feed and every creator coming up with this template कि hey आप लोग 19th और 20th को क्या करो, जो भी प्लान हो कैंसिल कर दो, सोशल नेशन आ रहा है. And like that because I saw it like repeatedly, every single creator speaking the same thing, वो चीज एक
yes,
याद भी रह गई थी, and that makes it even more tougher
हाँ,
to like change the dates. क्या रे जो बोला था, now forget all of that, now new dates. Yeah.
yes. So पहले 19th and 20th सारे ऑलमोस्ट हम लोगों ने जितने सारे क्रिएटर्स के साथ वीडियोस बनाया था, दे ऑल स्टार्टेड शेयरिंग इट, एंड 19th and 20th डेट फाइनल हो गया. बट 2 weeks before the event, or 2 or 3 weeks before the event, we got to know because of some reasons we had to change the date to 18th and 19th. बट ठीक है, अब अपने पास 3 हफ्ता पहले था, एंड ठीक है, बहुत बहुत सोच के डिसीजन लिया गया था कि हम लोग डेट चेंज कर रहे हैं. बट स्टिल वी दिस हैपेंड, डेट चेंज हो गया इवेंट के 3 हफ्ता पहले.
Yeah.
एंड अगेन अ न्यू कम्युनिकेशन वाज आउट, again a new communication was out through our social media pages, and all our partners we tied up with Book My Show. So Book My Show से भी सारे जितने भी लोग थे सबको नोटिफिकेशन गया कि डेट्स आर चेंज. Now let's zoom into 2 days before the event. All
Yeah,
right,
which is
it's
16th of October.
which is 16th of October. Yeah,
Yeah.
16th of October रात को uh, everyone is dead serious. उस दिन मैं भी रात को काफी लेट तक ऑफिस में था, एंड आई वाज
एकदम
वर्किंग
एकदम
इन
मिस्ट्री,
माय
एकदम
क्यूबिकल.
मिस्ट्री डिस्क्रिप्शन था ये. रात को 16th अक्टूबर सब सीरियस थे. आई वाज आल्सो. या बट गो ऑन.
मैं पहले तो दूसरे जोन में था, लाइक आई वाज वर्किंग फॉर समथिंग, आई वाज लुकिंग आफ्टर द वर्कशॉप्स एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. सो मैं वर्कशॉप्स के सारे चीज को ठीक कर रहा था, तो मेरे काम को अराउंड 3-4 घंटा लगने का था. सो मैंने अपने आप को साइड करके 3-4 घंटा वहां में काम कर रहा था. So after 4 hours when I came out of that space, मैं वो रूम में अकेला था जहाँ मैं काम कर रहा था. When I came out of that space, कोई जमीन में बैठा हुआ है, कोई ऐसे करके बैठा हुआ है, कोई सब चुपचाप शांत बैठे हुए, एकदम पिच साइलेंट. someone is talking कि क्या कर सकते हैं, and then I had no idea कि, और मैं फिर उस दिन रात को अराउंड 11:30 हो गया था, और मैं घर चला गया उस दिन रात को. So I thought that something must have happened, but मैं खुद इतना थका हुआ था कि मैंने पूछा नहीं किसी से कि क्या हुआ है. Morning 6:30, I got a call from my boss that Navneet, 9 o'clock we all are meeting where the rehearsals were happening. So we had booked one theater hall जहाँ पे सारे creators rehearsals कर रहे थे. Before going to the main stage, we were doing the rehearsals as well. So she said that 9 o'clock we are meeting. There is something serious which we want to discuss. And I asked her that what happened. So she said that no, we'll meet and then we'll discuss and talk about it. Do not panic. मैं हुआ क्या है, ऐसा क्या हो गया है?
Do
And
not
she's
panic.
told
Do
me
not panic is a
festival.
very wrong sentence. मतलब वो बोलते ही फिर like it's like it works the opposite of what it says.
सही में यार. एंड मेरी जो बॉस थी उस टाइम, लाइक द बॉस आई वाज वर्किंग, शी वाज द बैकबोन of this entire festival. So whatever editorial you see which is going out today on our social media as well, and during the festival also, जो भी editorial था, जो concept वगैरह बनाया गया था social nation के base पे, was created by her. So when she got to know about it, उनको तो of course मतलब रोना आ गया था सुनते से ही. एंड मैं भी एक बार के लिए जब जब मुझे सुनने में आया कि अब वापस 18-19 नहीं, जो फर्स्ट वाला कम्युनिकेशन दिया था क्रिएटर्स ने कि इट इज 19th and 20th, वो वाला चीज है.
So the date changed the second time. पहले it was 19th and 20th October. Then the first change happened wherein the date became 18th and 19th October.
No, first date was 19th and 20th.
Yeah,
वो
okay,
चेंज
so
होके 18th and 19th.
first date was 19th and 20th October. फिर आया पहला
Yes.
change which was 2 weeks prior to the event.
Yeah, 2 to
And
3 weeks prior, I'm not exactly sure
yeah,
dates क्या थे, but yeah,
so 19th 20th से it moved to 18th and 19th.
yes,
And then once again, like 2 days prior to the event, they are saying कि वापस से dates बदलो, and it again goes back to the same thing. 18th 19th sorry 19th and 20th को हम फिर से रख रहे हैं event. ये
yes.
बोलने में मैं 3 बार
And this,
फंबल हुआ हूँ, so now I can get के उस टाइम पे वहां पे क्या हुआ होगा.
I mean, हम लोग सोच ही नहीं सकते यार. It is like the festival which people have. मैं तो भी 2 महीना पहले ज्वाइन किया था, but this festival was created probably 9 months से इसका ideation चल रहा है. सारी चीज 9 महीने से चल रहे हैं, सब कुछ. हमारा वेन्यू बुक्ड है, हमारे आर्टिस्ट की लाइन अप बुक्ड है, हमारा वर्कशॉप का सारा शेड्यूल वैसे ही बुक्ड है. Everything. I mean, people have probably blocked their dates. People were traveling from Delhi, people were traveling from Bengal, from Bangalore, etc., etc. सबने अपने tickets वैसे बनाए थे. And then just 2 days before the event, it is like creating जो 9 महीने से आप काम कर रहे हो सारे चीज में, वो जो शेड्यूल होता है, because we have more than 100 artists.
Yeah.
Sorry, we have more than 100 artists.
Yeah.
For that festival. तो वो सारे 100 लोगों को फिर से रीशेड्यूल करो आप कि कौन किस दिन में होगा.
Yeah.
So our first idea was कि 19th तो डे सेम ही है, तो जो 19th रहेगा वो 19th फिक्स्ड है. अपने 20th जो 18th वाले हैं उनको 20th में डाल देते हैं. But that didn't happen क्योंकि हमारा वर्कशॉप्स के साथ क्लैश हो रहा था. And there were like different reasons we couldn't do that. So basically हम लोग का आइडिया ये था कि जो 18th है अब अपने को बस 20th में शिफ्ट करना है.
Yeah.
This was our first idea which we had in mind कि ऐसे करने. So okay, अब 9 o'clock we all reached to that
But
place.
इसमें भी I'll add के a lot of people from the audience point, they might be thinking कि अरे क्या हुआ, it's a matter of one date going from here and there, and you guys have such a big graphic team who can instantly change the banners and circulate it. You guys have the distribution because you have the creators, so it's so easy. I'll explain why it's not. So I keep a track of all my favorite creators, so to say. And why I remember this particular moment of my life peculiarly, because the person whom I follow the most had to cancel his appearance at Social Nation because of the date clash. So Beer Biceps का cancel हो गया था Social Nation में आना. And क्यों cancel हुआ था? Because the next very day he had a flight to shoot a podcast with Arnold Schwarzenegger. And that is the reason why जब जाके 20th को होने वाला था Social Nation, so he had to like skip back, and he had put up some Insta story that I am flying to कोई तो बहुत सही लोकेशन बोला था उसने, I am flying to somewhere to record a podcast with Arnold Schwarzenegger, which is again a big moment in his own like career timeline. So that is the level of impact one change of date can make in the creator's life, which many times the audience does not gauge. They feel that okay, it's just a one date here and there, so like what's the big deal in that? But ऐसा नहीं होता. They have like their dates booked like months prior. So that's the thing.
Yes. And creators of course, and there are like so many other nitty-gritties which people might miss out. हमारा जो भी venue था, that is हमने वापस डेट चेंज करके 18th and 19th किया था. So now we have to go back to the venue again and tell them that now the dates are different.
Yeah.
So बहुत सारे चीज होते हैं. हमारे वेंडर्स जो थे वहाँ पे, जो इतने बड़े बड़े LEDs लगे थे, स्पीकर लगे थे, स्टेज था, अब जितने सारे, जैसे मैंने कहा कि we had different booths there, we had people playing with slime, so everything, I mean जितने सारे लोग हैं फेस्टिवल में, सबको अपने को अब कम्युनिकेट करना है कि it's not 18th and 19th, it is now 19th and 20th.
Yeah.
And 9 बजे अब हम लोग जब पहुंचे वो थिएटर में, मुझे पता था ये चीज ऑफ कोर्स पहले से, बट बहुत सारे लोग थे जिनको नहीं पता था. Many people were there who had no idea कि ऐसा डेट चेंज है. तो उनके लिए फर्स्ट टाइम शॉकिंग था वहां पे कि सुनना कि अब डेट वापस 19th and 20th हो गया. Now we all sat down कि अब करना क्या है. So as I told you, our first idea was कि जो 18th वाला डेट है वो अपने 20th को शिफ्ट करेंगे. हम लोग शांति से बैठे. सुदीप सर, he called the first creator. ठीक है, फर्स्ट क्रिएटर वाज मुंबईकर निखिल. uh, सबसे पहले सुदीप सर ने कॉल किया मुंबईकर निखिल को. He called, and we were simultaneously calling other creators also, but this we clearly remember. सबसे पहले सुदीप सर ने मुंबईकर निखिल को कॉल किया. said निखिल भाई डेट चेंज हो गया, आपका जो 18th वाला स्लॉट है अब आपको 20th में शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं आप प्लीज. एंड दिस इज व्हाट ही सेड कि कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अपना फेस्टिवल है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, we'll figure out something and कुछ ना कुछ करके कर लेंगे. And that is literally the tagline of our festival. ये अपना festival है.
Yeah.
And after
Okay, so
that,
that's where it
everything
came from.
No, I mean this was there before only. ये अपना
Okay.
festival है.
Okay.
And these were the lines which he said. So you know, एक tagline है, plus people are trusting you also in that way. And of course, this entire creators community सब साथ में आया, and it all magically happened. Everyone, जिसका भी, I mean, सब समझे कि इतना बड़ा festival हम लोग कर रहे हैं, and there are so many things which are happening. So creators do understand all of this, and 19th and 20th को हुआ हमारा festival, and it was perfect. Come to the part कि और भी क्या क्या problems आए festival में. But yeah, 19th and 20th is now final, and सारे creators को communication जा चुका है. अब हम लोगों को पूरा restructure करना है. What people have been creating since 9 months, सारा schedule, the entire thing कि इसके बाद ये performance, इसके बाद ये performance, इस stage में ये, उस stage में वो, अब हमें सिर्फ 48 hours में complete करना है. You have to create the entire structure of the festival, what is happening again, and do it in 48 hours. This was a very very big challenge for us. मतलब हम लोग को सिर्फ आइडिएट नहीं करना है, हम लोगों को सारा कम्युनिकेशन सोशल मीडिया में चेंज करना है, लोगों को बताना है. जितने लोगों ने अराउंड 20,000 people were there for the festival, so we have to make communication to those 20,000 people, and we are really grateful for the creator community helping us out for this. सबने सोशल मीडिया स्टोरीज डाले, सारे क्रिएटर्स ने अपने टाइमलाइंस को ठीक किया हमारे लिए, and it all happened magically.
Yeah.
Now 19th, the first day of the festival. Okay, we all are excited. एक और डेट चेंज हो गया, everything. Now अब तो सब सही जाएगा. सुबह सुबह 9 o'clock we reached the venue, and पूरे स्टेज में सब एलईडी सब कुछ लग गया है. डेकोरेशन एवरीथिंग इज डन लास्ट नाइट. सारा ब्रांडिंग हो गया जितना भी ब्रांडिंग करना था. 19th 10 o'clock it starts drizzling. I mean it was not raining, it was drizzling. And बस उसके बाद तो मतलब जो पैनिक हुआ है, मतलब आप समझो, मैं तो भी 2 महीना था, जो लोग इतने दिन से काम कर रहे इसके पीछे, उनको लगा कि अब क्या होगा. बारिश आ गया, एंड मुंबई रेन सर तो पता नहीं कब कैसे कहाँ से आ जाते हैं मुंबई रेन, कोई आइडिया नहीं.
वो भी अक्टूबर में रेन है नहीं.
यस, अक्टूबर में रेन. एंड पर्सनली आई वाज शैटर्ड. मेरे को तो लगा अब क्या होगा यार, अब इतना मेहनत करने के बाद ये और क्या हो रहा है. मतलब हर चीज, हर वीकेंड जो भी सोच सकते हैं ना कि ये गलत जाएगा, वो हमारे साथ गलत हो रहा था. हाँ, तो जो भी चीज आप सोच लो कि इतने एक्सटेंट तक गलत हो सकता है. डेट चेंज सोच लो एक बार, ठीक है यार, फेस्टिवल्स में होता है डेट चेंज, कोई बात नहीं, हो गया एक बार. दूसरी बार ओके चलो हो गया. अब जब फेस्टिवल डेट सब फाइनल हो गया, इट स्टार्टेड ड्रिजलिंग. बट अगेन गॉड वाज देयर विद अस, एंड उन्होंने देखा कि क्या किस किस जर्नी से हम लोग आ रहे हैं, एंड कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ फेस्टिवल में. इट वाज ड्रिजलिंग, people were standing there, creators were performing वो drizzle में, and कोई नहीं हिला यार. Like it was so magical, it was so beautiful to see people कि वो रेन में डांस कर रहे हैं या गाना गा रहे हैं. अरमान मलिक ने जो गाना गाया वहाँ पे, it was raining. And अरमान का एक बारिश के ऊपर गाना है, I forgot the lyrics, and he sang, and it was so beautiful, so soulful. I cannot explain right now.
कुछ flashlight का भी इंसिडेंट हुआ था जहाँ तक I remember कि someone was performing and the entire crowd did the flashlight thing.
Yes, this happened. I mean, this happens in every festival.
Yeah.
But again, सार पूरे स्टेज का लाइट्स ऑफ, देयर वाज वन स्पॉटलाइट इन अरमान मलिक एंड सबने अपने फोन का स्पॉटलाइट ऑन किया था. So ये सब ये जो मोमेंट्स था फेस्टिवल का, आई when I even when I'm thinking right now, वो इतना ज्यादा soulful experience. It was amazing. Plus me coming from Calcutta, इतना grand event मैंने तो पहले नहीं देखा था. इतना grand stage मैंने probably जब Coldplay आया था मुंबई में तो मुझे लगता था कि यार Coldplay के concert में एक बार जाने हैं. And seeing all of this virtually मैंने देखा था फोन में, and that came into reality like literally. So it was beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful experience for people who were there, जो बारिश के कारण जो वहाँ पे थे और तो भी वहाँ पे रहे अपने क्रिएटर्स को देखने के लिए, एंड क्रिएटर्स भी बारिश में परफॉर्म किए, बी इट स्केच कॉमेडी, बी इट डांस, बी इट a stand-up comedy, anything. I mean, people were there, they were performing.
Yeah.
So yeah,
that was the
what? Yes.
Story behind how it happened.